Have you ever wanted to make your PowerPoint presentation more engaging by adding a YouTube video? Maybe it's for a class project, a business pitch, or even a creative showcase. Well, you're in the right place. Because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hyperlink a YouTube video in PowerPoint, step by step, so you can make your slides come alive. Let's jump straight into it. First, open up PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation where you want to add your YouTube link. It's always best to have your slides organized beforehand so you can focus completely on this step. Now, before we continue, make sure you already have your YouTube video link ready. Just head over to YouTube, find the video you want to include, and copy its URL from the address bar. Having that link copied will save you from switching back and forth later. Once your link is ready, return to PowerPoint. Next, select the text, image, or shape in your slide that you want to turn into a clickable link. It could be something like watch video, an icon, or even a thumbnail image. Click to highlight or select it. Now, go to the Insert tab on the top menu ribbon. This is where you can add different elements like pictures, charts, and of course, hyperlinks. Inside the Insert tab, look for the link option. It might appear as the word link or an icon of a small chain depending on your PowerPoint version. Click on it and you'll see a dialog box appear. Choose Insert Link or Hyperlink. And in the field labeled Address or URL, paste your YouTube video link. You can right-click and paste or just use the shortcut Ctrl+V. Once you've pasted the link, click OK. And you're done. Your text or image is now a clickable hyperlink that opens the YouTube video directly in a browser when you present. If you want to take it a step further, you can format the linked text, maybe change its color or remove the underline to match your slide's design perfectly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hyperlink any YouTube video in PowerPoint. This little trick adds energy and interactivity to your presentation, helping you capture your audience's attention effortlessly. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick PowerPoint and presentation tips like this one. Thanks.